Hi Sagittarius. Today I'm going to do November weekly readings from November 22nd to 28th. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video, guys. Then it will reach more people. And thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. So let's start the reading. Sagittarius, 5 time, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Guys, this is general reading. If you want personal reading, you can reach out to me because so many people asking why reading is different. Morning one outcome, evening one outcome, because different energies, different people energies, na. So that's why you have to see, or you have to take only messages, because there are so many Sagittarians. So first we will see the recent past. Three of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, under the deck, Seven of Swords. I'm seeing cheating involved for lots of you in recent past. Strong third party and Seven of Swords. That's why I told cheating involved. Uh, you both started your relationship in very recent time, but one person had third party. So the truth came out. One person felt heartbroken, and one person intentionally cheated on other person, hide the third party situation from the other person. So I'm seeing in recent past a lot of disturbances, and some of you were in separation, but one person was felt heartbroken, literally. So let's see what is happening in present. And lots of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, H sign. High Priestess, the Tower. See how cards correlated. The Moon, under the deck, and Knight of Swords. So right now, the person who got cheated by other person trying to listening to their intuition and trusting their inner voice, because right now this relationship is like going through a lot of tower moments, because no more relationship, because see, these people falling down, which means no foundation here, no foundation, but one person is trying to communicate here, but one person is just overthinking and trying to listening to their intuition and taking the power back. Again, lots of you are dealing with Pisces water sign. So definitely right now I'm seeing you both are going through tough situation, especially one person. So let's see your current thoughts, Sagittarius. First we will see your feeling. Two of Pentacles, Chariot, Four of Pentacles, under the deck, Queen of Wands. See, you literally juggling. You don't know what to do, because the journey is now very, very difficult for you emotionally, because the Chariot, your heart is saying be with this person, but your mind is saying just move on. But right now you're in deep thinking and holding yourself back emotionally, because you don't know what to do. You're juggling. You still have passion towards this person, but you definitely not talking with this person. You blocked their number or want to block their number. And Five of Cups with Four of Swords, because you invested in this relationship emotionally. Now you're going through a lot of emotional trauma, so that's why you're focusing on healing and spending some time with yourself, uh, and focusing on yourself. So right now you want to heal yourself, sitting alone and just thinking about the past and what had happened between both of you, and trying to come out and try to come out of that situation. Okay. And lots of you are dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energies here, and some of you are dealing with Cancer, water sign. So let's see your person current feelings and intentions. Seven of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, Six of Cups. Ten of Pentacles, Two of Wands, Nine of Wands, again Seven of Swords. They know they messed up with you. I think the same energy we got in yesterday reading. So your person did a mistake. They cheated on you intentionally. Okay. Now, if you're already married to this person, now they're involving family, their parents or your parents to be with you. Okay. Because they want to fix things with you. That's why they're involving families into your relationship because they want to fix things with you. They're taking family support here. What I mean. And for those who are in relationship, you person definitely want reconciliation, but they don't know how to ask for it. That's why they are in so much confusion. They now realizing your value and Nine of Wands, but right now they are guarded up because they don't know how to approach you, and they know that you will be happy without them. You will be independent already. You are independent, but you will be more focused on yourself, and you will be happy. Your person is thinking like that, so they don't know what to do, but they're thinking about reconciliation. And they're definitely realizing what they did to you. So let's see uh, the next move. Again, lots of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, lot of fire energies here. So let's see, will they take any action or not? King of Pentacles, Two of Cups, Eight of Swords, Emperor. Again, they know you are the one. They know they missed the chance. They want to take action, but no, they're not taking because of stuck energy. And Emperor, because their ego is also stopping them to reach out to you, and they're still dealing with the third party, definitely, because the lovers, they're keeping their options open still, but they want to take action, but they're not unable. So let's clarify Eight of Swords here. And lots of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign, Page of Pentacles with Knight of Pentacles. So they are in very, very slow moving energy because of the stuck energy. In near future, they are going to, but not in immediate future. Okay. So let's see what is the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed on. Five of Wands, Temperance, Justice, and Page of Swords. So lot of inner conflicting energy. You both will be patient and try to balance yourself, like your feelings and emotions, and spying on each other on social media. Clarified by Knight of Pentacles, the Moon, Judgment, and Four of Swords. They will ask for second chance, but you will more focus on yourself. You will focus on healing, which is very, very important, and you will get some clarity, and you are going to make some important decision regarding your relationship. But they are going to ask for second chance, definitely, but you are going to spend some quality time with yourself because you want to be alone. You want some space to heal yourself. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding the situation you are in right now. Two of Swords. Lots of you will be at some crossroads. So before taking any decision, think twice because decision making will be the key. Knight of Wands, which means uh, some people will enter in your life, but before committing to them, think twice because maybe that new person could be a player. Seven of Wands. Never give up. Just move forward and take stand for yourself. Separation, sadness, missing you, thinking about you, earning, unsure of future. And the chaser in codependent relationship, fear of abandonment issues. Yes, because the runner becomes the chaser here. Your person is the chaser. They are about to chase you. You deserve love. You are lovable. Definitely, you deserve love. Put yourself first. Passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy and release your ex. The time has come to clear your energy. For those who want to let go of your ex, this is the time. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me, and readings are chargeable. Thank you so much.